Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's Thursday afternoon, and we're going to give Tango another shot. Just throwing this together real quick in a video blog with some tips and suggestions to hopefully make our operation go a little smoother. So, I'm going to take a look here at, let's take a look at Black River and see what that looks like. Actually, let's start with the easier one, tension, 64 points. This one, I took a look at it already. It looks pretty evenly split. You got two rocket packs over on the left side and a rocket launcher over on this side, but you also have this doom cannon. It's pretty evenly divided with about the amount of things we need to take out to get create a safety area against the core. I prefer this left side though, just because we can land boats right over here on this left side. We can flare way up here, and then you can march a set of heavies with bazookas and take out rocket launcher 1 and 2 here. Then we would just need to clean up this left side so we can attack and attack the core from there. Just be aware of where the doom cannon is. It will one-shot everything you have. Fires every 5 seconds, I believe. And we'll be out of range of this rocket launcher as well. So that is tension. That should be the one we start with. Take a look at Black River next. These are getting a little harder. We've got a nice rocket pack here with shock launcher combo. I originally thought about running smoke warriors up there, but I think it might be a little tricky for us to do efficiently. So I think the next best option would be to circle around and attack from this position right in here. We'll still be in range of these two rocket launchers, but if we can clear an area where we can march in, I think we could tank heavies and have bazookas followed up. It'd be especially beneficial to save some shocks when you do that, as well as have a landing craft full of healers. But I would suggest shooting a barrage right in the middle of this to clear these boom mines out, and landing your boats right here against the far right side. Obviously you want your heavies to march up first, take out machine gun 1 and 2, and then flare over here to take out machine gun 3 and 4. Then we can work our way to the right side of these cannons. Always try and play an angle on these things, guys, and take out some of these cannons. I would drop all of your barrages from any extra gunboat energy you have into these rocket launcher packs. They're going to have to go in order for us to attack from this side. Now, if you're one of the higher players with lots of gunboat energy, I've seen you guys take out these packs all by yourself. But it may take a couple lower level players to dump all their gunboat energy into those to take them out. But you can come back here, clear these cannons, and then farm some power cells to help shock some of these other items that we're going to need to clear out to be able to attack from right on this angle here. Once we get these rocket launchers cleared, we'll have to get some of these guns and mortars cleared so we can have a clear spot in there. I think we can tank the damage. We'll stay out of range of that shock launcher, which can be pretty damaging. Now, distortion is pretty nasty looking. There's no clear side that's easily accessible. We've got shock launchers and rocket launchers on pretty much every side. It seems like the easiest route would be to start over on the right side here, work our way around through these machine guns, try and farm some of this power cells, and you're going to want to dump the power cells into shock launchers 1 and 2 here, as well as probably we will need to clear that one if we want access to these power cells, or you can just bypass those power cells and move up to these. We're going to have to work our way around to the back. The whole time, any extra gunboat energy, you're going to want to dump them into shock launchers, and rocket launchers, because they will kind of ruin the program if we don't get rid of them. Once those are clear, we can come around the back, clear these 5 guys out, and we'll just have a couple of machine guns and some sniper towers to deal with, and should be able to access the core on the backside. So those are today's op notes and suggestions. Good luck to everybody. This one's going to take effective operations on everybody's part to be successful. So I'll talk to you later.